Welcome to All Things Jamaican. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 places to visit while vacationing in Jamaica. Number 10. Pelican Bar. Visiting Pelican Bar in Jamaica is definitely something to brag about. Pelican Bar is a tiny bar made of driftwood silted on a huge sandbar about 3/4 mile out in the sea. Pelican Bar is located in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. It is one of the most unique places to eat and have a drink in the entire world. Hands down, the best bar in the Caribbean. To get there, you have to take a 20-minute boat ride to this rustic establishment in the middle of the ocean. Once there, you can sunbathe, swim in the shallow ocean water, drink a beer, and eat some fresh lobster or fish. The decor inside is really one of a kind and very special. The inside is covered in relics from many parts of the world. So do not forget to bring something personal to leave behind. Number 9. Bob Marley Museum. Take some time out of your sunning and swimming to pay homage to a musical legend. Located in Kingston, Jamaica, this museum occupies the former home of Bob Marley. Inside, you will see personal artifacts, Marley's personal recording studio, and his bedroom, among other highlights. The property also features a well-equipped 80-seat theater, a photographic gallery, a record shop, and a gift shop filled with a wide variety of Bob Marley memorabilia. Come and relax and enjoy a sumptuous meal from the One Love Cafe after you've completed your tour, which offers a peek into every aspect of Bob Marley's life. Number 8. Chukka at Good Hope. Located in Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica, Chukka Good Hope boasts over 2,000 acres of lush plant life, primary jungle, scenic views of the Cockpit Country, majestic Martha Brae River, as well as the historic Great House. Once a working village and a sugar plantation, the 1700s Good Hope Estate is the Caribbean's first and only nature adventure park, with an unparalleled variety of adventures and cultural experiences, including the thrilling zip line, rugged ATV, relaxing jungle river tubbing, Appleton rum tasting, Great House store, and bird aviary. With 17 working buildings, including the Great House, it is the ideal location to incorporate adventure while maintaining the history, culture, and natural beauty of the beautiful Good Hope Estate. Number 7. YS Falls. Located in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, YS Falls boasts 7 stunning waterfalls where cool, clear waters cascade into naturally forming pools, perfect for a dip or a photo op. Originally a cane farm with a working factory, YS Falls is the perfect place to have a Jamaican experience, an authentic one that is. Be sure to visit YS Falls on your next vacation. You won't regret it. Number 6. Puerto Seco Beach. Puerto Seco Beach is a white sandy beach located along Jamaica's north coast in the historic town of Discovery Bay, St. Anne. Puerto Seco is one of Jamaica's most iconic beaches, which was renovated to highlight the historic charm. The beach is absolutely gorgeous and spans approximately 150 meters. The beach also has a grill and a full-service restaurant. There are also a lot of activities to indulge in. You can go on the inflatable water park, which comprises of slides, trampolines, and several play areas. Patrons can also enjoy glass bottom boat rides, snorkeling, kayaking, and swimming with the dolphins. Puerto Seco Beach is a must visit on your next vacation to Jamaica. Number 5. Blue Mountains. Famous for its coffee and for being one of the highest mountain ranges in the Caribbean, the Blue Mountains are a sight to behold. The mountain range, named for the color it appears to have from a distance, spans over 4 parishes in Jamaica, namely St. Andrew, St. Thomas, Portland, and St. Mary, and is renowned for offering stunning fiery sunsets and breathtaking sunrises from the peak. The panoramic view isn't anything to sneeze at either, as on a clear day, you can see as far as Cuba and Haiti from the highest points. Hiking to the peak during the night to catch the sunrise and the peak of Cuba is a must while in Jamaica. After all, it is a World Heritage Site. Coffee plantation tours, interesting and exotic plant life, and a number of springs, as well as breathtaking scenery, are just a few of the rewards for the journey to the top. With all its beautiful natural offerings, the Blue Mountains are easily one of the best places to visit in Jamaica. Number 4. Spence Appleton Estate Rum Experience. The roads of Jamaica's wild and beautiful south coast have brought you to the Nassau Valley, located in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. It is a rich, fertile land where long stalks of sugarcane move about lazily in the breeze. Here in the heart of Jamaica, at the Appleton Estate, you will discover something unforgettable: the Spence Appleton Estate Rum Experience, a multi-sensory only here experience about our world-famous Appleton Estate Jamaica rum range. Through a variety of fascinating stops, including a theater, observation tower offering panoramic views of the beautiful valley, the distillery, aging house, and tasting rooms, the tour takes you on a journey through the history of the Appleton Estate and our unique cane to cocktail rum making process. As you go through the tour, you will see, touch, and taste how Appleton Estate Jamaica rums are made. You will leave the Spence Appleton Estate rum experience with not only a deeper appreciation for the quality of the Appleton Estate rum, but also for the warmth and the flavor of the country's heartland. This is the spirit from Jamaica with love, found in every smooth sip of Appleton Estate Jamaica rum. If you love rum, this is the place for you. Must visit when you come to Jamaica. Number 3. The Blue Hole, located in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. The Blue Hole in Jamaica is paradise for nature lovers. High up in the mountains, it is described by some who go there as a little piece of heaven, complete with rope swings, refreshing water pools, nature trails, and a beautiful waterfall. It is quite a walk to the falls, but there's a lot to see along the way. This spot is not as touristy as many other locations in Ocho Rios, but it is great for visitors who wants to do something out of the norm. Enjoying a swim in the Blue Hole is on the recommended list of things to do while visiting Jamaica. Number 2. The famous Rick's Cafe, located in Negril, Jamaica. I'm sure you've seen sunset, but have you ever experienced watching the sunset at one of the best locations in the world, while warm tropical breezes engulf you, while songs from the legendary Bob Marley play live, filling your ear with sweet melodies? We didn't think so. Rick's Cafe is known for having an awesome view of the sunset in Jamaica. Set in the west end atop a 35-foot high cliff, it is also known for a heart-throbbing, exhilarating cliff jumping. The cafe has a restaurant and a bar, which are frequented by visitors and locals daily. The bar is known for offering liquid courage to help those who dare to make the cliff jump. If you aren't as adventurous, get there an hour before the sunset to watch the expert local cliff jumpers for oftentimes just as much of an adrenaline rush. By the time you've had a fill of excitement, it would be just about time to take your spot at the cliff's edge to watch the sunset. If the crimson, orange, and purple hues of the magnificent sunset are no indication of it starting, the live band shelling out reggae music that will begin playing in the background will definitely alert you. Number 1. Dunn's River Falls, located in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Dunn's River Falls is unique, and just like reggae, the 180-foot high and 600-foot long landmark is world famous. It stands as a living testament to Jamaica's natural beauty and is the most popular of all the Jamaican falls, attracting millions of visitors each year. A brisk 1 hour and 30-minute hike will take you on an exhilarating adventure through lush surroundings with pools you can swim in dotting the way to the summit. At the base of the waterfall, you will find both its defining feature and what makes it so unique. The falls empty into the sea at Little Dunn's River Beach,